Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our Raggedy Ann and Andy journal. Okay, this has to be set by now. It's been days, and I mean days. So I'm going to put the clips over here for right now. And I have my trifold ready. Next, I am going to go ahead and start the cover. And hope and pray I get this right. I would hate to mess this. Well, it's not live at least, so if I mess it up, you're not ever going to know. Yeah, you will. So, this is the fabric I decided is going to be the cover. And this fabric was sent to me by another crafter named Vintage Kim, and it's not laying where I want it to. So I'm put it here. That'll work. And what I'm going to do is I am going to stop talking and do the rest of this cover to music, because I cannot talk and do it at the same time, or I will totally mess something up. So, you'll still be able to see what I'm doing. You just won't have to listen to my horrible voice. So here we go. Okay, guys. First of all, I did make a few errors here, and I want to point them out to you. I think I straightened it out with the bone folder. It looks like pretty much I did here. My book binding tape is a little wrinkled, so that shows, but it's not that bad. And plus, too, if I decide to put charms or something on it, that'll be covered. But here's the deal. It's on here. It has to dry again before we do anything else. If you're going to starch your fabric, and you don't have to, you don't even have to iron it if you don't want to, but if you are going to starch it, either use it right afterwards or put it in a place where it won't be disturbed. I had to fight with the bone folder to get some of the wrinkles out that showed up because it's been sitting here for a few days after it was starched, and I did not get it glued down in time. But I think the wrinkles are gone. I don't see any. It looks pretty smooth to me. So here's the front, here's the back, here's one spine, and here's the other spine. And when you open it up, all of this will be different. It won't be the same thing. So, we're going to let this sit up again. Sorry, we have to. And then we are going to come back and start having fun getting into this journal. It's slow, but worth it. So, we'll see you soon. And thanks for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.